Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet and your Metamask. So the first thing that you want to do is, of course, once you've set up Metamask for the first time, they will give you a secret recovery phrase and they will urge you to save said secret recovery phrase. So we want to open up Phantom wallet and we want to click on the top left and it'll bring up a little sidebar here. Now on the sidebar, you want to go down to the plus icon and then here you'll have a few options and you want to use import recovery phrase. Now that will bring you to the recovery phrase screen. So from here, this is where you're going to paste your Metamask secret recovery phrase. Again, go to wherever you saved it and just copy and paste your recovery phrase in here. And now you just want to say import wallet. And there you go. Your Metamask has now been imported into your Phantom wallet. You can click on get started. And now you'll see here, I have an A2 account, which would be my Metamask, and A1 being my Phantom wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.